Hello everyone. So today is 6th of May and today we had our Sensex expiry and also those who follow me on X. So for them I also posted here that is put writing were being done. Okay. So if you see here that is at 10:22 a.m. I posted this when Sensex was at 80,529 and huge put writing were happening and after that again it went to like 80,700 to give them exit. Okay. And before the final fall, okay, so the final fall like after 3 p.m., so as you can very well see that after 3 p.m., the big call writers here, the big call writers were present at the top, and mostly if you see right at the end here the call writers were present. Okay. And so as you all know, those who sometimes trade after 3 p.m., especially during the expiry days, how beneficial it's for you all so to capture such a move. So anyways, let's talk about the whole performance today. So yeah, coming down here, that is starting yesterday what we saw was like put writing was being done at the end, but I also said that call writers were also present, but right at the end put writing were happening. Okay. And we had a gap up and after that it started coming down, but then right here if you see 19 a.m. in the morning, so big call writing happened. So if you look at the amount, it's 39 cr. Okay, 39.6. So big call writing happened here as well, 22 cr. Some put writing also happened, 15 cr. And here 20 cr. So majorly here call writing happened. And if you even look at the post here, so in the morning, so here if you see that is I also posted that as well. So if you can see there, the call writers were present and then it went down. And then while it was going down, right at the bottom, where almost the bottom it made for the day, so there I again posted that put writers are present there. Okay. So here put writers were present there. So let's look at the amount. So 26 cr, then 20 cr, then 17 cr, then 93 cr. Okay. So I was using the ATM 8700 then. So with respect to that as well, some in the money put writing also happened here, as you can see, like 49 cr, almost 50 cr, 41.9 cr. This is 43 cr. This is 56.4 cr. So huge put writing happened right at the bottom, like the bottom of the day was made there. And so as you all know, they got a nice premium to eat. So anyways, and after that Sensex went up by 200 points. So here as well, like some call writers were present again. So if you see here, that is 11 a.m. So again, just as some call writers 28.8 cr of call writing happened, it started falling. And even those who don't believe, so just go and check the yesterday's live stream, so it happens. Okay. So that's what I have shown even in yesterday's live stream and in the past live streams as well. So this is a fantastic indicator, and I mean there is no indicator as leading as it is. Okay. So even here, right here, if you see, again a major chunk of put writing happened and suddenly it starts reversing. Okay. So here again going up, again the call writers were present, and it showed some, I mean, bearish trend. And after that, again here if you see, some again put writers were present and it started recovering, and finally coming here again, right, almost right at the top, again a blow from the call writer side. So it's 155, and it started falling here. And mostly here if you see, call writers were dominating. And the last part of the day, or the last part of the expiry, the call writers were dominating here. And then after that, so this was a flash crash, but Sensex is ending little above 600, 600. So anyways, the last fall even from 700 to almost 600 was also like a good one for those who trade on, especially on expiry days after 3 p.m. Okay. So yes, that's how nicely it worked, the HFT algo scanner. And yes, now let's also talk about how it performed on Nifty as well. So let's go to the start of the day. Okay. So as you all saw that even in Nifty yesterday when I was live, like at 3:30 p.m. So right at the end, some put writers were active, but also call writers were there. Okay. So now I am using the three ATM 24,300, 24,400, and 450. So majorly like let's follow 24,300 after the fall today. So yes, coming down here, that is like here. Yesterday's end was like call writing as well as put writing, both were there. And now let's look. So I think we were following 450 yesterday. So yes, right at the end, some put writing were there. So to give them exit, we had a gap up opening, and after that, let's see what happened. So after that, if you see, it straight away came down to 450. Okay. And some put writers came in there 450 again, as you can see. This is with respect to the ATM 450. And again it started like again giving them exit. Okay. But right here after that, here the main chunk of like call writing happened. So here 35 cr of call writing happened with respect to the 450 ATM, and it started falling. Okay. So as you can see, right after that, like it started falling. And there again some big call writers came in as well. Now after fall, like we should follow the 400 ATM. So this is the 400 ATM. So further call writing happened here. So if you look at the amount, 22 cr, this is 24 cr. And then again some put writers also started coming in, but the major chunk was the call writers. So that's why we have the fund flow, that is are the bears putting more money or the bulls. Okay. And after that, like some consolidation happened, I think because of these put writers. That consolidation happened, and then again we had some fall here as well. Like going forward, like if you can see, that is some call writers were again active, and they try to push it down, but finally coming down here almost at its bottom. That even happened in Sensex as well. So the put writers started coming in there. Okay. So the put writers right at the bottom of the day, during that time, like even in Sensex when I posted. So let's look at the time. So it was at around 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay. So even here as well, 11:40 a.m. in the morning. So again the put writers started coming in, and again they gave it support, and Nifty went up and again got resistance at our 24,400 resistance line, which we showed earlier. And then after that, here if you see, again the call writers came in. Okay. Again the call writers came in, the bears came in. And again it was as it was taken up all the way up. So the beers, like the call writers, shorted, and even right at the top, like where the top was made right there, like 2 p.m. So there in Nifty also, like the beers shorted, and so we should follow the 400 ATM. So here 400 ATM, 20 cr of call writing happened right at the top. Okay. And then after that, again the fall started happening. And yes, and finally, like Sensex, we didn't get any sign of this reversal. But again, while it was all being taken up, so the call writers were present mostly, as you can see. And yeah, so and Nifty was taken down finally. So that's so yeah, we should follow the 400 ATM. So this one. So yes, like everything worked out perfectly fine. And so I hope you have enjoyed the analysis, especially in the Sensex. So in Sensex, like more put writing happened because due to expiry, as you all know. So yes, even in I mean the day's low that was made like today. So at that point also you can see, like with respect to the 400 ATM, the majorly the put writers came in at that period. Okay. But while the fall was happening, so the call writers were dominating, and right at the bottom of the day, where the bottom of the day of Nifty was made, put writers came in. Okay. So yes, that's the beauty of this indicator. And again I can proudly say that we are the only one who have cracked such an algorithm that does this job of like catching the big guys in real time, in absolute real time. Like OI is also lagging data because it comes every 3 minutes starting 9:18 a.m. in the morning. So you don't get the update before that. So it's absolute real time, as I have shown you in several live streams, even in yesterday's live stream as well. And something like this, like right at the top and right at the bottom you can catch the reversals. Okay, so that's the fantastic thing that you get in this indicator. And so basically you can understand that these are the big guys who are taking position. So analyzing out of all the positions that are being taken in the option chain, analyzing the big guys positions, like here it's not showing much. Okay, so it's saying that the big guys are not present here, so the big guys are present here. And even in the big guys, like in the big sharks, there are smaller sharks, there are bigger sharks. So to understand the bigger sharks, we have the fund flow, so who is putting more money. Okay, so you can clearly see that. And that's the, I mean, beauty of this indicator. Again, if you want the indicator, you can simply just go to my website and simply subscribe for it, and you will get the access as soon as possible. So you just have to go add to cart and check out. And again, if you want to pay via UPI, so UPI number is also given here. So yes, and also do watch these videos and also the live streams of the past on my YouTube channel to understand the indicator better. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.